Many people noticed that the fade-in animation had vanished from CapCut PC, but I still have my own here. So just in case your fade-in animation doesn't exist, I will show you 2 ways you can do it easily. So the first method is to use effects. So to use effects, of course, you're going to select on any video, or you can choose not to select on any video. Then you go on to effects, and in the search bar, you're going to search for fade in. Okay, fade in. Now you can apply it straight to your video like this, and now we have the fade in like this. You can adjust the speed here, so the speed or duration, so how fast you want the fading effect to go. You can do those adjustments here. Alternative way is to just put it on up here, just in case maybe there are multiple clips or something. So it's either you put it directly straight on the video or on top of the video. And the second method is to use keyframes. So to use keyframes is a little bit too complex. So that you are going to first select the video, and then right at this side you scroll down until you see blend. All right, when you see blend, you are going to tap on show, then you add a keyframe, then you reduce the opacity to 0, and you send the timeline bar to like the duration, how long you want the fading to apply. So let's say 1 second, so we leave it on the 1 second mark. You tap on the video again, you scroll down to blend, you add another keyframe, and you increase opacity to 100. So when you play it back, this is what you're going to get. So just like that, 2 ways to add fading effect to a video. And you can do the same thing for a fade out. That's the same way. So fade out, you also apply it to your video, or you can use keyframes to fade out. So if this tutorial was helpful, it would be nice if you leave a like for me and you subscribe to join the channel. You can also request down in the comment section whether there are any edit style you want to learn, or technique, or whatever, any question at all that you have when it comes to editing with CapCut. I'll be here to help. I have my socials here. You can contact me personally if you also want to. Other than that, see you next time.